Today I'm going to show you Instagram, IGTV. It's a pain in the... You can't edit your cover photo once the video's been put live. So it's really important to get that. When you're uploading to IGTV screen, this is the thumbnail you've just clicked on, unless I've updated it since, and then it'll be completely different. IGTV, Instagram CEO came out a couple of weeks back and said they are doubling down on video content. So they're going to start pushing video content a lot harder than they are. And I think it's worth doing. You're creating content, may as well create it for other platforms as well. So the biggest issue with IGTV, sometimes it's weird, it's really weird. Sometimes you upload and you press save, you write your description, all of a sudden it's gone. It doesn't appear on your IGTV tab on Instagram. It's very strange. I've had this from multiple locations. I've had it from using the Facebook Creator Studio. I don't know what happens. And it's annoying when it's like a 15-minute video, you upload it, you sat there. It does seem to take longer than YouTube to upload and process, and then it goes. So I've uploaded the video. The issue is here. When you go into try and upload an image here, you can't actually, it has to be in this certain dimension. Here it says recommended size of, no, I'll write that down because that's different to what I've got. We'll see which one's right. So hi Richard the Great, nice to have you on board, mate. So this is a live stream that I did on YouTube, and I'm actually going to, I've downloaded it, I've re-uploaded it to IGTV. So we're going to create this cover photo here. So we're going to go and select the YouTube thumbnail file in Canva that I did, and it was this one here. This is the YouTube video, so that's the one we're going to use. So we're going to create this into teach you how to do it for IGTV. In Canva, I think this is a pro feature, so you have to have the pro account. There will be a link below in this video on YouTube if you're watching on YouTube. All we do is hit resize. Previously, I've been using 420 by 654 for IGTV, but we could see a minute ago it did say 492 by 762. So we'll show you how that would work here. So by 762, just pop that in and copy and resize. Richard's always been interested in being a creator. I have quite a few YouTube channels out there. But hoping to hear a bit more from you and your experience in case I decide to try again. Try again. Always try again, Richard. And let me know what those channels are as well. So what this does, this creates a new file with all of your assets that you had in the main thumbnails, but you can see it doesn't quite, I mean, that's not actually that bad. That's gone in quite well. That's gone in quite nicely. Sometimes they can be a bit all over the place and doesn't work out that well, and you have to then go and do some work on them. The cover photo for IGTV, you will see that on your grid on your Instagram feed, so it has to work within a square. I don't know why I'm showing you here. Sort of within this feature here. Anything else is going to get cut off unless you go to the IGTV tab where it will show the full height of it. This is the actual thumbnail from YouTube, so you can see how I'm probably just gonna, I might, if I can select it, I might try and, I don't know whether to keep that on there. I don't know if to keep it on there. I probably will. So we'll just rejig this a bit. Short stats. So we've got a couple of options here. We can drag me into that kind of size. I think we'd rather that because we've got to make it look good as a square post as well. So that's what we're doing. I think I will take live off. So let's download that. Quite happy with that. This is a little thing in Canva. I think they could do a little bit better here. So we're on page 3 and I will just download that one. Fingers crossed this posts and uploads. Let's just see what happens. We'll stay live on air so you can see this. Oh, it's not there yet. It's not there. It's there. It's there. Okay, so you can see here that actually it's not too bad. It's still a bit close to the edge, but it's not too bad. I'm quite happy with that. There we go. So that is the video. Let's close all these finals down. That is the video I've just uploaded to IGTV. You've just watched me make the thumbnail from a YouTube thumbnail. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you are one of the first subscribers to this new channel. It's exciting. I'm excited. I can't wait to go on the journey with you. Let's go.